Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable Snooze Inactive tabs to save memory in Opera browser. So how to enable Snooze Inactive tabs to save memory in Opera browser? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, go straight to Opera browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera browser display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this, and scroll down. And tap the settings menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the browser menu. Now here you are in the browser menu. Scroll down to find the interface menu. Next, tap to enable Snooze Inactive tabs to save memory. This feature functions to temporarily disable inactive tabs in Opera, thus helping to save memory and improve browser performance. So that's it, tutorial how to enable Snooze Inactive tabs to save memory in Opera browser. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.